Hey there, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today I want to answer a very common question. Should I DIY my remodel or hire a pro? Now, imagine a project as a three-legged stool. Those three legs are price, quality, and timeliness. It's very difficult to have a project that has the lowest price, the highest quality, and the most efficient time frame. Now, from a DIY perspective, that's a really good fit if price is your most important component. So for example, if it's an income property or a rental, a flip, or maybe even a home that you don't plan in being in for the long term. Now, the things that you will need to have at your disposal if you want to DIY is, of course, a really strong knowledge of home improvement and construction. You'll really want to know the scope of work and what you want to accomplish. You want to have the design really well thought out in your head. And you'll also want some great subcontractor and vendor resources to make sure that you can pull the project off. On the other hand, if you want to hire a pro, that's a really good fit if quality and time are your most important factors, but you have a little wiggle room when it comes to price. Now, one of the more challenging parts of hiring a pro is finding the pro. At Kitchen and Bath Crate, we are firm believers in not only obtaining multiple bids for your project, but actually interviewing multiple contractors. Here's the difference. When you obtain multiple bids, it's really transactional. All you're looking for is give me a price, comparing the prices. And while that's important, it's very different from interviewing your contractors, where you ask them a series of very deep questions about how they're going to conduct the project, who's going to be working on the project, all of those types of critical things that are the difference between a successful pro relationship and an unsuccessful one. Now, if you'd like to talk with a pro like Kitchen and Bath Crate, please give us a call at 888-995-7996 or log on to kbcrate.com. And if you're a DIYer, we'd love to even help refer you to really good subcontractors and vendors that could work on your project. So either way, give us a call. We'd love to help.